Imagine a world where saving money is not just a chore, but an exciting adventure. That's the essence of SaveClub.com. It's a platform designed to transform the way we think about saving. Picture this: you're planning a vacation, a new gadget, or even just a rainy day fund. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by the costs, SaveClub.com empowers you to take control of your finances with ease and fun. At its core, SaveClub.com is all about community and collaboration. You can join or create savings clubs with friends, family, or even like-minded individuals. This means you're not just saving alone, you're part of a group that shares the same goals. It's like having a built-in support system that keeps you motivated. You can set collective targets, celebrate milestones together, and even challenge each other to save more. It's a social experience that makes saving feel less like a burden and more like a team sport. One of the standout features of SaveClub.com is its user-friendly interface. You can easily track your progress, set up automatic contributions, and visualize your savings goals. The platform offers various tools and resources to help you stay on track. You can access budgeting tips, financial advice, and even personalized recommendations based on your saving habits. It's like having a financial advisor in your pocket, guiding you every step of the way. But what truly sets SaveClub.com apart is its gamification aspect. Saving money can often feel tedious, but SaveClub.com turns it into a game. You earn points for reaching milestones, completing challenges, and participating in community events. These points can be redeemed for rewards, discounts, or even cash bonuses. It's a clever way to keep the excitement alive while you work towards your financial goals. Let's not forget about the educational component. SaveClub.com offers a wealth of resources to help you become more financially savvy. From articles and videos to webinars and workshops, you can learn everything from budgeting basics to advanced investment strategies. The more you know, the better equipped you are to make informed decisions about your money. And if you're concerned about security, rest assured that SaveClub.com takes your privacy seriously. They use top-notch encryption and security measures to protect your information. You can save with confidence, knowing that your data is safe. In a world where financial literacy is more important than ever, SaveClub.com is a beacon of hope. It's not just about saving money. It's about building a community, fostering good habits, and empowering individuals to take charge of their financial futures. So whether you're saving for a dream vacation, a new car, or just a little extra cushion for life's surprises, SaveClub.com is here to make the journey enjoyable and rewarding. Embrace the adventure of saving and watch as your financial dreams become a reality.